Once upon a time, in a small village in Japan, there lived a Zen master named Takashi. He was known for his wisdom and teachings that helped people find inner peace and happiness. One day, a young man came to Takashi seeking guidance. The man was troubled by the challenges he faced in life and was searching for a way to overcome them. Takashi smiled and said, "I will teach you the art of Zen, but first you must learn to let go of your worries and fears." The young man was confused. "How can I let go of my worries?" "They are a part of me," he said. Takashi replied, "Imagine yourself as a cup filled with water. Your worries and fears are like stones that weigh you down. To find peace, you must empty your cup of these stones." The young man understood and began to practice the teachings of Takashi. He learned to meditate and focus on the present moment. He let go of his worries and fears and found inner peace. As time passed, the young man became a successful businessman and a respected member of the community. He never forgot the teachings of Takashi and continued to practice Zen. In the end, Takashi passed away, but his teachings lived on. People from all over the world came to learn from him, and his legacy continued to inspire generations to come. The story of Takashi teaches us that true success comes from within. By letting go of our worries and fears, we can find inner peace and happiness. It is through the practice of Zen that we can achieve this state of mind and live a fulfilling life.